everybody, and welcome back to another small tutorial video. Today we're going to go through how to back up your wallet and then restore it. It's actually really simple. You'd be surprised how simple it is. So we're going to do two things here. We're going to record the wallet keys, and then we're also going to export it, and then we're going to import it. So first of all, we're going to go down to we're going to go to File, and down to Export Key. Now this is your wallet key. It's very important, as it says here, to never lose it. There are a couple of ways to do this here. The first one, we're going to copy the key itself. Copy. We're going to open up Notepad. Here's our Notepad. We're going to paste it. Save it. And we'll call this IRD wallet. And you have your keys saved. You can also save to a file. And as you can see here, it's called wallet key. Now, the thing you must remember is you need to keep the wallet key file or your notepad file in a very safe location, preferably off your main PC. This way, if you ever need to recover it, you've got it. Plus, if something happens to your computer, you've got it. Call this IRD backup. I'm going to save it. Well, it doesn't want to let me save in this location. I don't know why, so we're going to save it where it suggests it. Just remember where it says. Okay, save. Alright, so now we want to back it up, right? So we're going to pretend this is a brand new wallet. We're going to import the key. Now remember, we saved it to a notepad file. Since I just did this, it's in the memory, so we're going to do Control V, which is paste. Click OK. Oh, it's asking us for a save location. So we're going to call this whatever you want to call it. I'm going to put IRD test. Sounds good to me. Save. Once again, it says we don't have permission, so yes. Save. And boom, it's back. But also look, it's no longer encrypted. Make sure you go and encrypt the wallet, which I'll do here. Confirmed. Now encrypted. Now it's going to update everything. It will take a few minutes to completely sync. Of course, if this is your first time, it may take a couple hours as it updates. Of course, the other way to do it as well is import, and you can load from the file that you saved. And in my case, it's saved to the Dave folder. But either way, it's the same thing. Let's see. There's Dave, and here it is. IRD backup wallet key. See, it automatically puts it in there for you. Click OK. Wants to know the name of it, so we're going to do IRD Dave. Save. Yes. Once again, as you can see, it is not encrypted, so make sure you encrypt that. And there you go. It's not as complicated as it seems. It's really simple. I actually have now transferred my key to 3 different PCs, and I have both the text file and the key file saved on a USB, which I put into a fire-safe safe, so that in the event that I lose my computer or I have a fire, I've got my wallet backup. Anyway, thank you guys for joining me today. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them below. You can always contact support in the Discord link below, which goes directly to the Iridium Discord. If you have any other ideas or anything you'd like to share, let us know. Make sure to subscribe for more updates in the future. And thanks for joining me. Bye now.
Bye.